This video will show you how to partition high-bandwidth ports on a Lenovo switch running CNOS. Ensure hardware prerequisites are met. Port partitioning is supported only on high-bandwidth, breakout-capable ports and transceivers. As an example, this feature is supported on NE10032 rack switch. Connect to the switch's Ethernet management port to a PC's Ethernet port using a network cable. Open PuTTY, enter the switch's host name or IP address, and select SSH as the connection type. Click Open to connect to the switch and log in with an administrator account. Enter Enable to access privileged exec mode. Issue Show Interface Brief command to verify current port status. Only ports that are not in use, administratively down, or not a member of a port channel can be partitioned. Issue Configure Terminal to enter global configuration mode. Issue Hardware Profile Port Mode help command to show the available hardware port partitioning profiles. Here is an example. To change all the ports at once, select one of the port division profiles. In this example, we change 32 ports at 100G to 128 ports at 10G. To change a single or multiple ports, use the Help command to display available custom profiles. Select a custom profile. Designate the ports you would like to change and reboot the switch for changes to take place. In this example, the 100G port will be changed to 4 by 10G ports. After the restart, the Show Interface Brief command shows the 40G by 100G physical port is partitioned into 4 logical 10G Ethernet interfaces. Use the same command to change multiple ports at once. In this example, the custom 4 by 25G breakout profile is applied to physical ports 2 through 4. After the restart, the port naming scheme shows each selected physical port is split into 4 logical 25G Ethernet interfaces.